I'm out here on a large river in Montana. I did this river in 1984 and fell in love with Montana, and was able to finally get out here, move out here 20 years later, and been here 20 years. So that tells you about how old I am. 2-day overnight trip. Gonna try to pull up some big trout on winter bugs and just walk through a midge hatch. So that's a good sign. Hope to get some top water action going. Swans. Hey, dude. Tonight, I didn't forget the wine this time. I'm going to pair what I'm going to tell you, and it's very special. Not the wine, but what I'm going to cook. Clay Shannon Red Blend. Okay. We're going to drink this out of a Sierra Club cup. This is my dad's Sierra Club cup. It's probably 40 years old. It's good stuff. So, my mother made the best fried chicken. And that was the first lines of her eulogy that I gave when she passed away 17 years ago. She took that recipe to her grave, but my sister-in-law, Amy, who was married to my older brother, when she was very young, she remembers making Weezy Fried Chicken. My mother's name was Louise. We called her Louise. And so now I have the recipe, and the recipe is incredibly simple. I may have a heart attack and die before I get off this river. We're going to use Crisco, that's key. Cast iron skillet, that's also key. And then simple flour with a lot of pepper, a little bit of salt. Got drumlets for this. I couldn't find drumsticks or anything that I wanted to bring, so I got a bunch of drumlets. Never cooked Weezy chicken before. Tonight's going to be the first night. We're going to do it over a hot fire when that burns down, but I wanted to do this before it got dark. So, big night. It was the best fried chicken, and just brings back incredible memories. I'm amazed that I'm still living because I ate so much of this stuff. This is going to be like the old shake and bake. We're going to give it a shot here. So, take the drumlet, put it in there. Thanks, Amy, for getting that recipe, because she refused to give any kids the recipe, and particularly our wives. But Amy was young when she made it with my mom. I think we'll just throw these in here. Weezy Fried Chicken. And this Crisco, a new batch. Man, I haven't used this stuff in, I'm not sure I ever used it. Look at that. I feel my arteries hardening already. Wow. Wow. Okay. let's give it a shot and see if it's similar to what Weezy would have made. Wow. You know, I was looking at this and I thought, there's no way in hell. There's no way in hell that I could replicate what she made. And it's so simple. And it's so good. This is, I did not think it was going to be this good, really didn't. Wow. That's exactly. Thank you, Amy, for ratting her out. She would she refused to tell her she didn't want any wife to be able to replicate what she made. And Amy had it down from probably 50 years ago. Wow. This is awesome. And paired with a great wine. I'm gonna have to eat a few of these and then save the rest for breakfast, because the only thing better than fresh Weezy Fried Chicken, cold Weezy Fried Chicken, just all-purpose flour, cast iron skillet, Crisco, and a lot of pepper and some salt in there. That's it. It's as simple as that. And this is freaking incredible.